debate on pollution. Well, Lok Sabha was adjourned sine die within 5 minutes of convening, and the Rajya Sabha too later was adjourned within 26 minutes. While the session is over, a new face-off is still brewing between the government and the opposition over the VB-G Ramji bill. This after the hangama in Lok Sabha over the passage of the bill. The Rajya Sabha passed the bill amidst protests, sloganeering and a walkout by the opposition MPs. The Congress has vowed to take its fight to the streets and to the Congress President and LOP in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, who has already revealed the opposition's agenda. In fact, Kharge reminded of the farm laws protests and said that people will come onto the streets. They will be opposing the bill and also will be ready to take bullets. Goli bhi khayenge, sadak pe bhi aayenge, is what he said. Watch this.
ये जनता के अधिकार छीन लेने का जो काम कर रहे हैं, आपको कल के दिन ऐसा ही एक समय आएगा जिस ढंग से आप 3 कृषि काले कानून को वापस लिए। तो ऐसा एजिटेशन आपको चाहिए कि लोग आपको गड़बड़ करने से, रास्ते बंद होने से, गोलियां खाने से यही पसंद है। उसी वक्त अगर आप ये करते हैं तो लोग मजबूरन रास्ते पे आएंगे, सड़क पे आएंगे, गोलियां भी खाएंगे, लेकिन इस कानून को सपोर्ट कभी नहीं करेंगे और हम लड़ते रहेंगे।
Let me go across to Isha, who's joining us. Isha, Kharge warned of Sadak Pe Faisla, that people are willing to take bullets. The dhamkis are continuing, and I believe in the coming days, Congress also has a mega outreach plan, 60 different press conferences across India.
Right, Meghna, the Congress is raking this up. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge has also said in Parliament that this can get as bad as the farm laws, and people will be out to protest against this. However, it's important to note that the changes that are being made in this particular bill, the name has been changed from Manrega to G Ramji. However, there are some positive changes that have come to the fore, and the bill has only been refurbished into becoming a better version of the past bill. The opposition, however, is claiming that there will be too much of central government interference. But again, the question is that this could have been debated and this could have been discussed. The opposition has also been slamming the central government for not having a healthy enough debate for this, and the Congress is now going to plan an entire discussion over this. They're going to be protesting over this as well. But there are some positive provisions that have also been added into the G Ramji bill. What is also coming to the fore is that there was a 100-day payment during Manrega, and now it has been brought up to 125, which is a positive thing only if we look at it, Meghna. However, what it did lead to was the TMC MPs and opposition MPs held a protest. The TMC MPs were also there throughout the night to voice out their opinion against renaming Manrega, because Manrega has been one of the most popular schemes of the Manmohan Singh-led government and was deemed to be one of the most successful ones. So there is criticism coming in from the opposition, but the central government, the BJP government, vehemently sure that what they have come up with is a better and upgraded version of the Manrega scheme.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us. Several reactions coming in from the BJP as well, specifically on what they feel is an open call for anarchy by the opposition. The BJP says that it's shocking that these kind of provocative statements coming in, saying goli kha lenge if required, sadak pe aa jayenge, those are the kind of words which are being used by the leader of opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge, and the Congress president. Listen in to what Shehzad Poonawalla, the national spokesperson of the BJP, has to say.
Mr. Kharge has once again started giving dhamki of anarchy. This is their mindset. They talk about Samvidhan, but they only want to do Vyavadhan and drama like the TMC is doing. They don't believe in Samvidhanic process. They don't believe in parliament. And therefore, even during the course of the discussion, they stood up violently. They were trying to prevent the bill from being passed. They do not really care for the poor. They do not really care for the villages. They do not really care for the farmers. They only and only want to create dharna, drama and distortion.
Meanwhile, let's get you more reactions coming in from the opposition side as well. This is what Priyanka Chaturvedi has to say when she was asked about what BJP calls a dhamki by Mallikarjun Kharge.
खड़गे जी ने कल कहा, क्योंकि दोनों सदनों में पास हो गए, लेकिन खड़गे जी ने कहा कि जिस तरीके से कृषि कानून वापस लिए गए हैं, सरकार को ये वाला कानून भी वापस लेना पड़ेगा, लोग सड़कों पर उतर आएंगे। तो आपको लगता है कि वो एक प्रकार से सरकार को धमका रहे थे कि
ये धमकाने की बात नहीं है। आजकल तो हर चीज सबको लगने लगता है धमकी है। क्या धमकी है? ये हकीकत है। आप लोगों के रोजगार के माध्यम हटा रहे हैं, आप गरीब विरोधी, अपनी रोजगार विरोधी सोच सामने ला रहे हैं। एक गारंटी स्कीम को खत्म करने की कोशिश करें तो लोग आक्रोशित नहीं होंगे क्या? तो वही आक्रोश है, वो आपको दिखेगा, सड़कों पे दिखेगा, सब जगह दिखेगा, जिस तरीके से ये काम कर रहे हैं।
थैंक यू।
बापू ने जो सत्य, अहिंसा, ईमानदारी,
Well, there you have it. Reactions which are coming in of the BJP saying that this is the dhamki wali mindset. This is dhamki and drama and intimidation of the Congress party, with the kind of reactions which have been coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge. Now, just to remind you what really happened, the G bill has been passed in both houses of the parliament after the Rajya Sabha continued till late in the night, after which Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, came out and said that this was brute force being used by the BJP to push through bills without adequate discussion and thought behind it. Remember, the Congress party, as well as several of the opposition parties, have red flagged the G bill. They say that it should have gone to a select committee and it is going to be detrimental to the state governments, is their charge.